Right, hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. It's open day time and it's actually half a decent day out there. A bit chilly, but it's all good. I'm going to talk you through the workshop first, what's going on. Call it Cup Car Corner. We've got 3 Cup 200 cars here. Generation 2 high boosters in them. Angle throttle bodies, adapters, drive-by-wire flat shifter. We've got 1, 2, we've got 3 of those here are on show, which is great. Over there we've got some builds going on. We've got the Honda S2000 Turbo. Sorry, not Honda S2000, K20 Turbo, get it right, Sean. K22, and then we've got a build in the corner going on. Got the automatic build, got the Z-Tech car that's come in. We'll do some work on. We've got the Phoenix out that we're working on at the moment with the chassis. The Sprint 185. Something a little bit different as well, which is the Sprint R we're showing. A little project that's I've purchased actually that we've just got to do some work on. Got the RX-5 Turbo, it's a customer's car. We're finishing off the build for and ready for IVA. That's all going on. And then we wander around here. Follow me, Finn, follow me. And then we're wandering into a Mazda Turbo. This is getting finished the build for this and prepping for IVA. Really nice. Just a few bits to do on this now. And then the demo car, the Mazda RX-5 here. I've had a couple of people go out in already, so we've got those. Now, outside, look, thank you for the weather. We've got a few different cars turning up here from Z-Tech Turbo, F20C, so S2000, Mazda Turbo, 2 Westfields, oh, sorry, nearly watching the camera, which one of them being a very nice V8. Very nice V8 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. We've got going on. A few other cars over the back there. Porsches. What we got else going on over here? We've got down here with his SDR V-Storm. Our resident Mr. Dangerous Dave in the R1 MK. Our dragster, as he calls it, which is the ZX14 DAX turbocharger though, sticking out the side. Very nice. Like that. Horsepower, baby. And then it's still very early actually, what's going on. I'm sure we'll have more turning up, but we've got some classic cars going on. M&R over there, it's got an R1 in that, I do believe, in there as well. And this, look at this, how nice is that? Ultima GTR, that is a bit special. I kind of like that, Finn, do you like that? Go on, say yes with the camera. You like that, don't you? Look at that. Twin exhaust pipes out the back. This thing is stunning. I really like that. It's one of my bucket list cars. That and a Cobra I quite like if you're into kit cars. 7s are my passion, but this is just something very, very different. What's going on, but what I'm going to leave now Finn to do is follow around, do some B-roll on the cars, whatever else comes in for the rest of the day. But remember to next time look out for dates for our open days. It's the last one of the year this year, but we're happy to see you in 2026. Bring your cars down, bake and roll. So Charlotte and the team doing a great job, teas and coffees going on. Remember to look us up, MK Sportscars. Come and see us at the factory if you want an RX-5, a Cup 200 or a Sprint 185. That's it. I'm going to leave Finn to do a job. And thanks to everybody for coming here. It's been an amazing day already.